So here is the result of the dress we just made. Now we are going to sew a children's dress. As you can see in the video, the top part is crossed and then the bottom part is a clock skirt. We will have 4 patterns here, the clock skirt one and then the 3 pieces of the cross top. This is the clock skirt pattern and this is the cross top pattern. The back part and then the front part. After that, we will cut the fabric according to the pattern. Here we are cutting the front part of the cross top. Leave 2 cm for the seam allowance. Cut 2 pieces of the cross top altogether, because there will be the right and left sides of the cross top. So just stack them both together with the wrong sides meeting the wrong side, and then you can cut it. After that, you can trim off the excess fabric. So here you have 2 pieces of the front part of the top cross top. Next, we are going to cut the back part of the cross top. Fold the pattern and the fabric so you will get 2 pieces of each cutting. And as usual, leave 2 cm for the seam allowance and trim off the excess fabrics. After that, we will cut the clock skirt pattern. So fold the fabric and cut it, leaving 2 cm for the seam. And then trim off the excess fabric. And as you can see, this is the result of the cutting. The top left is the back cross top. Top right is 2 pieces of the front cross top. And then the bottom is 2 pieces of the clock skirt. After that, we are going to stitch the shoulder. So connect the front and back fabric with the right sides together, and then you can stitch the shoulder part with 2 cm of the seam allowance. So now we will stitch the front cross top. Fold it 1 cm inwards and stitch it all around the edge of the fabrics. In the next step, we will connect the right and left sides of the front cross top. So pile the right and left side of the front cross top and stitch the bottom side. After that, fold the sides of the cross top 1 cm inwards and then stitch the arm parts. So in the next step, we will connect the cross top and the clock skirt with the right sides together and then stitch the sides from the arm part to the bottom of the clock skirt. So here is the result of the dress we just made.